Hi, this is Easy Slide with Perry, and in today's video I would like to show you guys how I make this transition. It is an easy and quite fast to make one, so now I will go straight to what we need to do. Okay, I have this main frame here, or we will call it the main slide. And for easy work, usually I would change my slides layout into blank. Okay, now first step, we will draw 3 rectangles, change their colors, and add text box. Also change its background color to yellow, which is the main slide's background color. Okay, now I will add 3 rectangles to fit in the frame. 1, 2, and 3. Now you can adjust the size of them to make them fit in the frame. Okay. I will change the colors of these 3 rectangles by using these palettes that I have already prepared here. And to choose colors from a specific image that you have prepared, you can use the eyedropper feature inside the shape fill. Use eyedropper to pick the color that you want. Okay, now I will apply the color to this shape. And usually I would remove the outline of the shape. No outline. Okay, now I will do similarly to these other 2 rectangles. Pick the color and apply it here. And remove outline. Pick the color, apply it here, remove outline. Alright, so now we're done with the background of the main slide. Now I will add a text box to type in our title. Easy Slide with Perry. Okay, center it, change the size, 60. Alright, now I want to position this text box in the middle of the frame, in the center and the middle of the frame, and I'm going to use format, align center, align middle. Now I will change the shape fill color, a dark one, and I will change its transparency by going into more fill colors and change the transparency. More than 50 is okay. Done. To pop out the text, I'm going to add contrast by using a bright color for the text. Now I will choose a light gray. Okay, so we are done with our main frame. The last thing to do with it is to change the background color into yellow. Going into design, format background, and change the color. Choose the eyedropper and change its color into yellow. Okay, now we will move to the second step, is to make 2 duplicates of the main slide. Right click on the main slide, duplicate and duplicate. Now we have 3 slides in total to make this transition work, and our second one, which is in the middle, is going to be our main slide or main frame. This will be the main frame, this will be slide 1, and this will be slide 3. Okay? The third step is to put all rectangles in slide 1 to the left of the frame. Now go to slide 1. In slide 1, actually we don't need the text box, so I'm going to delete it and move all of these rectangles to the left side of the frame. All of them. Okay, done. Next step, the fourth step, is to put all 3 rectangles in slide 3 to the right of the frame and change its background into blue. Now go to slide 3. In this step, I will change the title a little bit to be playful with it. Let's begin. Okay, now I will move all of these rectangles to the right side of the frame. 1, 2, and 3. And for this slide, we will change the background color into blue. I have already got this one. Okay. This blue is the blue that we have used for this rectangle, so you can use the eyedropper to choose from this shape. Okay. Now, the last step, the easy one, is to add Morph transition to slide 3 and the main slide. So basically, just add Morph transition to slide 2 and slide 3. Now, we'll go to transitions, add Morph for slide 2, and go to slide 3, add Morph for slide 3. Alright, let's see our work. So this is the end of the video, and I hope that you guys will be successful in creating this one. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye!